2020 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder. We just got done changing the oil in this car, and it has the digital display right there on the right. It says maintenance required soon. I'm going to show you how to reset that. All you need to do is use the buttons here on the steering wheel and hit the back button and scroll over to this gear symbol here and go down to your vehicle settings. You're going to press and hold down the button for a little bit, and that'll get you into the settings. You just can't push it. You got to press and hold it down. Go down to scheduled maintenance and reset data. It's that simple.